y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Glossybox for September of 2021. I'm very excited because this is very heavy and I cannot wait to see what I got in here. Also, I'm very excited about the advent calendar this year. I've already done the spoilers on the UK version, which I thought was for UK and US. I didn't know they were different because I did email who I talked to, who I get PR through, and I asked when it was going to be released. She kind of didn't say anything other than like the date, so I thought it was both, but it's actually, there's a UK version and a US version. So my UK version of spoilers are out and that one's fantastic, and then I need to do the US version spoilers because they're out now and it's not as good as the UK version, which is kind of like sad, but it's still a good advent calendar. But yeah, I'm really excited to get into this Glossybox. So if you are into these types of videos for me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already watching this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So as always, thank you so much Glossybox for sending this over to me. I will have my discount for you guys down below. And yeah, so this month's theme is Pure Relaxation. And sneak peek for next month, it says something extra special is coming next month. October isn't just about Halloween. It's time to embrace your alter ego and try out new alluring and captivating beauty looks. 2 mysterious special design boxes will get you glammed up and ready to be bold and confident. So that's a sneak peek for October. And as always, Glossybox, thank you for sending this to me. I'm so thankful and so excited. And here is the little advent calendar here. Yeah, these boxes sell out like ASAP, so if you're wanting it, you might want to jump on it and get on that wait list. Okay, so wow, okay, this is a very full box. Like, it's got some big products in here. So the first thing I'm pulling out is something that is like really interesting to me. So this is David's Natural Toothpaste. So this is a deluxe mini. So this retails for $4.95 for the deluxe mini, and the full size is $9.95. So it says freshen your breath with this premium sustainable toothpaste designed to naturally whiten, remove plaque, and freshen breath. David's is made with naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. That's cute. We love the packaging. It's very pretty, and yeah, I'm very excited to try this. I'm gonna put this in my shower. Yes, I brush my teeth in the shower. Don't judge me. Thanks. Next. Okay, next thing on top, we have these packets here. These are extras, so this is just an extra for your box, and it's 4 Sigmatic hot cacao with, wait, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's hot chocolate. This is hot chocolate. I was like, what? So it's mushroom cacao mix with reishi and chill. I don't know. Mix 1 packet with hot water or iced something. These are just hot chocolate. Interesting. I'm gonna try it. I love mushrooms, so treat yourself to a better bedtime with this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, organic cacao mix made with reishi mushroom. You'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's rest. Okay, cool. Love that it's free, because yeah. Okay, so next up, oh, and these 2 packets are worth $4, by the way. So this works. This is a travel size. It's a Stress Cheat Clean Hands, and this is $6. So moisturizing, purifying hand gel with 70% alcohol and pure essentials. Okay, keep your hands clean anywhere you go. This hydrating hand gel with 70% purifying alcohol, hard-working hyaluronic acid, and a super blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli will make your hands clean, safe, and moisturized whenever you can't get to some soap and water. I wish I had this when I went to Universal Studios 2 weeks ago, because some of their stuff were out and I was just like always like put the hand sanitizer in my hand, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's exciting. Love that. Next up, we have this here, which I don't know what it is yet. This is a full-size Daily Concept hammam mitt, and this is $14. Detox and refresh your skin for a youthful glow, made for your body. This cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. It detoxifies, rehydrates, and nourishes without stripping and drying out your skin, so you can look and feel your best. Oh, okay, so this is kind of like a loofah, but for your hands. Shower the world with love. Okay, so it's like, oh god, this is like very exfoliating. Okay, this is going to be perfect for people that self-tan and stuff and really want to exfoliate your skin. This is going with me in the shower for sure. I love exfoliating my skin, so we love that. Next up, we have this big product here from I don't know how to say it, but that's the brand right there, if my camera will focus. Okay, this is a collagen all-in-one gel, so this is $49. This lightweight facial moisturizer tones, hydrates, and brightens skin in one step. It's powered by that big word, a natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times, that's very specific, 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in eliminating free radicals that cause premature aging. Oh, fancy. This is a nice heavy jar. Feels very, very like, you know, like it costs a lot of money. Doesn't really have much of a scent, and it's orange, which is really festive. 'Tis the season to be spooky. Yeah, okay, can't wait to try this out. Excited about that. And then lastly in this box, yes, lastly we have this product here, also a full size from Terry Demars, Terre Demars. Redemption Body Cleanser, $23. Ooh, body cleanser. Clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, and protecting at the same time as organic, low-foaming, aromatic cleansing gel, which is subtle for all skin types, is infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe, and this is $23. It's not often that we get like shower cleansers like and stuff like that, so this is really fun. It smells good too. Like, it smells really, really good, so I'm excited about this. That's also going in my shower. I'm always trying like products in the shower. It's kind of like insane, the amount of products that I have in there, but yeah, I love it. I think we got a good variety of products this month. No makeup, which is a little like, you know, meh, but we did get this cool hand mitt, a shower gel. I'm sensing a theme of like, you know, care, because, you know, hand sanitizer, body, collagen, toothpaste. It's like a bathroom theme this month. Like, it's a pure relaxation. That makes sense. Yeah, pure relaxation. That's, yeah, okay. I get it now. That makes sense. So, now that I've babbled on, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you got in your Glossybox this month. Did you like it? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!